Here to present Director in Drama is an actress who for years has been spoiling us with standout performances in the likes of Shallow Grave, An Angel at My Table and Patrick's Day. Please welcome Kerry Fox.
Gangland battles, Viking wars and rampant vampires have been thrust into our living rooms this year, thanks to the courtesy of this year's drama directors. And the nominees are...
David Caffrey, Love Hate.
For God gives this body without limit, but the Father loves the Son and has placed everything in his hands. And whoever believes in the Son will have eternal life, but whoever rejects the Son will not see life, and the wrath of God remain on him.
Ciaran Donnelly, Vikings. Colm McCarthy, Peaky Blinders.
Get it done, boys. Comrade, we have our orders.
Dervla Walsh, Penny Dreadful.
And the IFTA goes to Ciaran Donnelly for Vikings.
There was much excitement in my house today. My three daughters, Ellen, Kate and Anna, sat around aged 11, 8 and 5, and they said, "Daddy, if you do win, you need to have a good speech." So they gave me this as I left the house, and they said, "You can't read it until the moment, if the moment happens." Dear Daddy, don't forget to thank Mommy. Thank you, Orla, my darling, beautiful, red-haired wife from the north of Ireland. I love you. And I love my three girls, Ellen, Kate and Anna, and I love the Vikings too. I love all the crew, all the cast, Morgan O'Sullivan, Michael Hurst, Mad Tomac and Ernie, Travis Fimmel and everybody. And listen, thank you, IFTAs. It's shaping up to be a really great night. Well done. Keep going. Thanks a lot.